this is a spare. I thought you cooked yesterday so you didn't have to cook today. Well, that was the plan. On the way out of the kitchen, yeah, I'm done. I'm out. There will be no more cooking today. I usually get that text on like a Wednesday or a Friday. I usually get the not cooking text from one flight down. So there's actual like record of notice. It was the plan until you wanted buffalo wings. It was a day today and you needed it. Isn't that always how the best laid plans usually work out? This is how it's going to be. I'm not doing anything. Crap, I just realized that I really want to do something. But it's different when it's for you. Instead of, I'm doing this to make sure everyone in the house is covered. And this one, if you want it, you can share, but otherwise, this is mine. And you can all sit down and shut up. I think our problem has become, we want to go sit down and have someone bring us food. Enjoy a view, you know, that thing. It's just getting a little bit harder as this drags on to not do it. Wait a second, is that a new color for an envelope? There's a beige envelope. There's a beige and a white. I can't recall seeing a beige. Doesn't mean there hasn't been. I just don't recall seeing one. We had gotten almost to that point. We were thinking about it the other day. And it's just, we don't spend as much on groceries as much as we spent eating out. So not only has it been a massive adjustment, there's been this massive, holy crap, we were spending a lot of money. Which I do not think we shall be returning to, if I'm being honest. I think there was enough of a come to Jesus moment sort of thing, right? Where it was like, we're spending a lot of money. Because we weren't doing fast food. That was the problem. So it wasn't ever cheap. Oh no, I took out the dude again. He's back. I love that she has a tricone with hair and a ponytail. More money for Lego. I was about to say I don't think she's going to see it that way, and then I remembered she actually was the one that was like, yeah, we're buying this. And when I said we, she said, well, yeah. Like, oh, well, in that case. Minifigs. There are very few sets in this house where it's a we, and very many where it's a what did you do? So I'll take those wins where I can find them. Ya scurvy squaws, farewell and adieu. My fair Spanish ladies. Actually, I feel like that's what should be playing. We should be playing sea shanties. We should totally be playing sea shanties.